Dealing with disagreements. You are telling me something. Whether I agree with you or disagree with you, it depends. There are different ways of dealing with disagreement. There are people who are always focusing on winning an argument. There are some people, they always agree with you because they may think that if they disagree with you, they may lose you. And there is another kind of a group. These people, they always think different ways to sort out the problem. And here, both the people will be the winners. It is understood there are good ways and bad ways to disagree. We have to choose the right one. When we disagree with someone, we must make sure that they are not upset. At the same time, we have to make them understand what we want and what we feel. Building good relationship requires a lot of social skills. The social skills include being supportive, being helpful, being an active listener, being very cheerful, and making others feel happy. This kind of social behavior will help us to build good relationship with others. Learn to respect the differences. There are similarities and differences between people. Children must understand that you and me may have some common things and there are something which is different. Your physical appearance and my physical appearance may remain same, but where I am coming from, where you are coming from, it is different. Where I was born, where you were born, it is different. Children must appreciate the differences as well as similarities between the people. How we can do it? We can do it through a simple game. Make some children sit in a group, in a circle. Let one child look at another child and share what is common between these two people, and they have to share one difference between them. So here a child likes to share something. For example, you and me, we are coming from same place. Your native place and my native place are same, but you have a brother, I have a sister. Something like that they can share. And another child, they can speak about uh, you and me are similar in this aspect, but your hobby is reading, my hobby is playing, something like that. Let everybody share one similar thing and one difference between each other, and let them appreciate all the similarities and differences between the people.